Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm going to be reviewing 3 products from the Body Shop India, that is the Body Shop Vitamin E Toner, the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturizer and the Body Shop Drops of Light Serum. As we know, our skincare routine plays an important role in keeping our skin healthy and glowing. So about this Vitamin E Toner, I have been using this for quite a few months and it keeps our skin hydrated and locks in the moisture and it makes our skin healthy and bright throughout the day. So I'm going to be applying it right now. Take some drops on your palm and pat it on your face. After this, we'll have to apply the Body Shop Drops of Light Serum. Let's wait for it to dry out. So now my face is already dry. I'm going to be applying the Body Shop Drops of Light Serum. It helps in minimizing our dark spots and brightening the skin. So let's take about 3 drops. It gives our skin a glowing look too. Let's wait for it to absorb and we'll apply the Vitamin E Moisturizer. So now the serum is all set. You can see my skin glowing, right? And after that, I will be applying the Body Shop Vitamin E Intense Moisturizer Cream for dry skin. If you have a dry skin, I would totally recommend you all to use this one. Vitamin E does wonder to our skin. It brightens, hydrates and moisturizes our skin. See, you can see the glowing look from my face. Don't forget to apply it to your neck too. Okay, it's all done. And try adding this product to your skincare routine and see how fast your skin changes in a week. And don't forget to drink lots of water to keep your skin healthy and glowing. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to Khooobsooorat because you are beautiful.